Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Be it hot summers or cold winters, one drink that we all enjoy I think is chocolate, and there are different variations to it. There is the hot chocolate and the cold chocolate drink. Today I'm going to share this lovely cold cocoa, which is a very popular drink in Surat. So this is an inspiration from there. So let's get started and check out this delicious, creamy, rich and thick cold cocoa. For the cold cocoa, I've taken 1 liter of milk. First, we're going to boil the milk. Maintain the flame on a medium. Keep mixing it at intervals so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Once the milk has heated up, bring the flame to a low. Next, I'm going to make the corn flour slurry. For this, I've taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Just add about a quarter cup of milk. Just mix everything in till the corn flour is completely dissolved. So we are using this corn flour to thicken this drink. If you don't want to use 2 tablespoons, you can always adjust it and use about 1 tablespoon. Since I'm using 1 liter of milk, I've taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So you can see the corn flour is completely dissolved. Keep this aside. So next I'm going to dissolve the cocoa powder with some milk. Take 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add about quarter cup of milk. Just mix everything till it's completely dissolved. So if you need to add more milk, add a little more milk to dissolve the cocoa powder. So this is an easy way to do it, because if you add the cocoa powder directly into the pot of hot milk, it can become very lumpy and it might be difficult to dissolve. So this is a good way to do it. So the cocoa powder is completely dissolved. Keep this aside. So maintain the flame on a low while adding the corn flour slurry. The milk shouldn't be too hot. Just make sure the milk is just simmering. It shouldn't be boiling because it can become lumpy very quickly. So once you've added the corn flour slurry, just give it a quick mix like this. So this milk will gradually thicken. Add the dissolved cocoa into the milk and mix it well using a whisk. This will help to make the mixture nice, smooth and creamy, and this will avoid any lumps if present. So you can see the cocoa has completely dissolved into the milk. Next, add about 4 tablespoons of sugar. So we're going to continue to simmer this on a medium-low flame. So next I'm adding about half teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is optional. If you don't have vanilla essence, don't worry about it. It just gives a nice flavor and fragrance to the drink. Next I'm adding about 100 grams of chocolate. These are nice, good quality chocolate callets. Make sure you use good quality cooking chocolate. After adding chocolate, just mix it nicely. You can see the chocolate is dissolved completely, it's melted into the milk. Cook the chocolate milk for about 10 minutes on low flame. So this is going to gradually thicken the milk. So this mixture has been cooking for about 10 minutes. You can see how thick it's become. So this is a good time to turn off the stove and cool the mixture. Strain the mixture. Since it's very hot, we need to bring it to room temperature. Once the chocolate milk has come to room temperature, we can start assembling the drink. Add a few ice cubes to one of the glasses. Pour the prepared cocoa milk. Just mix it using the other glass. So this is how they usually do it. They just add a few ice cubes and they mix the milk first along with the ice cubes, and then they serve it. Pour it into a mason jar and serve it nice and chilled. So it's a great drink. It's very refreshing, and those of you who love chocolate, for all those chocolate lovers, this is an absolutely delicious and wholesome drink. You're going to love this, so you must try it. Here is this chocolatey and delicious cold cocoa, which is not only perfect for summers, but you can enjoy this anytime. It's a must-try recipe, guys. Follow all the steps to get it perfectly. Do try the recipe, enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.